To download Gears 2 on a PC or laptop, start by visiting a website that offers the latest indie games. Ensure the website is legitimate. Then use the search function to find Gears 2. The game should appear in the search results, and upon clicking on it, you can view its details, including pictures and screenshots. To purchase the game, scroll down to the Purchase and Buy Now section, where you will be prompted to pay $1.99 or more. You have the option to pay more than the base price to support the creators, but $1.99 is the minimum required. After entering your payment details, you can choose to send the game as a gift, if desired, by selecting an email address to receive the gift. Next, enter your email address to receive payment information. Then proceed to pay using PayPal. Once the payment is complete, you can download the game to a zip folder on your computer. To access the game, right-click on the zip folder and extract its contents. Open the extracted folder, locate the game, and double-click to launch it, allowing you to start playing.